Hi all, welcome to Mom and Me Bombs. Please share, like and subscribe and click on the notification bell to get our upcoming videos. Today's video we are going to show how to make sip-ups at home. It's really tasty and everyone can make a try. It will give a refreshing feel, especially during the summer season. In today's video, I am showing you how to make sip-ups using fruits. I'll be showing in the next coming videos how to make with milk. See, here the fruits I am taking are passion fruit, granadilla, that is also known as Agashawillari. See, this is the passion fruit in our own garden, and also granadilla. And it has a lot of pulp in it which can be used for various other purposes. I used it to make this ice lolly. This is the passion fruit I used. Then apple, I took 3. You can take as much as you want. Then ripe mangoes, guava, I took 3. Now take the apple and cut it into slices like this. You can use as much as you want. You just taste it and compare and then add or reduce. Now this is the pulp which I have taken from the passion fruit and the granadilla, that is the Agashawillari. And the mango, I have cut it like this. Now for the sip-up, we need plastic bags like this. You can get it in the market or you can buy it online. I got it from the market. And see, one looks like this. You can use ice tray if you don't have any sip-up packets. This is not that costly. Now take a blender and into that pour the passion fruit and granadilla seeds, the pulp, and then add apple into it. This is a good combination, that's why I did it. You can add or reduce the apple as you wish. Then add sugar. Without sugar, actually it's more healthier, but adding sugar will give a good taste to the sip-up. Then blend it properly, and the juice will look like this, and it has to be filtered. The seeds all have to be removed, and the sip-up juice will look like this. Keep that aside, and then take the mango which we have cut into pieces and blend it like the way we did the other one, and add sugar. We can add more sugar or reduce it according to our taste. Adding more sugar will give a better taste to the sip-up. Then add water. Don't add too much water or else it won't taste good. The guava which I have blended will look like this. Now to seal the sip-up bags, you may get the sealed sip-up bags from the market, but which I got was not sealed. So I just seal first one side like the way I am doing here using a candle. You can use a sealing machine also, and then seal the way I have done here, and the other side will be open through which you have to pour the juice which we have made. The juice should be not watery. You should not add more water or else it won't taste good. See, seal it like this using a knife, or else you can just fold it and seal it properly, such a way that it doesn't leak. It will look like this. One side will be open. It's a bit, you need patience for this. Now take the juice which we have filtered and kept aside. Now I've taken the passion fruit juice first, and then using a funnel, even if you don't use a funnel, you can just pour it directly into the sip-up bag like this. It will look like this, and then the other side we have to seal like this. Do not pour till the top of the bag. Just leave a little bit space for folding like this, and then using the candle or a lighter or whatever you can use for seal it like this. It should be sealed properly. See, the sip-up will look like this. We have to keep it in the freezer for at least 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Then only it will be ready to use. I am showing you how to make the mango sip-up. See, you have to pour it into the bag like this, and then seal the top like this. You should not pour it till the top, and be very careful while sealing it once you fill it with juice. Patience is needed for this. Even the guava, you have to pour it into the bag like the way I have done, and seal it and keep it in the freezer overnight. You can do for other fruits also like this. A packing machine can be used for sealing it. See how tempting sip-ups are ready. You can all try. There are no preservatives in it. So please do comment after trying. Adding more sugar will make the sip-ups more tastier, but I won't say it is healthier. So try it out. See, these are the other sip-ups I tried out, and this is for milk. This one is mango, and the next one I'm showing is strawberry. Strawberry is really very tasty. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.